and today I am going to be showing you guys how to make a simple wall hanging with color papers. So let's get started. For this we need glue, we need scissors, we need to cut 2 circles out of cardboard, and we need 2 colors of color papers. So here I am choosing pink and blue. So let's get started. First you have to take one color paper like this, and then you have to cut them into equal parts like this. In the middle you have to cut it. Like this you have to cut them into equal part. Now you have to take a pen or a stick to roll, and then you have to take your color papers which you have cut, put it at the corner and roll it. Like this. Now you have to take your glue and attach it at the end. And then stick it together. Afterwards, when you remove it, you will get a stick like this. Now you have to take your scissors and cut the edges properly. Like this. You have to make so many sticks like this. So guys, you have to make sticks like this with color papers. So I have made 8 big sticks like this, and I have made 8 small sticks like this. Now you have to take your cardboard circle and you have to place it one by one on the circle like this. First you have to put the small one, next you have to put the big one, small one, big one, like that. You have to form a pattern with it, and you have to cover the whole circle with these rolls. Now you have to attach the sticks on the cardboard like this according to the pattern. Now you have to take the cardboard circle and you have to attach it in the middle. Now you have to put your cardboard circle on top of the wall hanging which you have made on this. Now you have to take your another next color paper and you have to cut circles on them. You have to cut circles, small circles with this. So now after you cut the circles with another color paper, you have to attach it at the end like this. So I have cut small leaf shape with them, or else you can cut circles. I have cut leaf shapes. Now to attach in the middle, you have to make a ball, a circle. So for that we need 2 papers. You have to make zigzags Like this, you have to form zigzag on your paper. Like this, you have to form zigzag for your both papers. After you have made your two zigzags like this, you have to take a stapler and you have to do a staple in the middle. Like this, and then you have to fold it like this. Fold it like this, and you have to create a ball with it like this, a circle. You have to create a circle. So if you want a bigger one, you have to staple this too, and then you have to attach them together and staple it, and you have to form the circle into a big circle. But here I am only using one. So you have to do it like this, and you have to stick it together. So guys, now I will show you guys a easy method to make this circle. You have to form a circle like this. So first, after you do the zigzags, you have to stick the papers together. So just I am showing with a strip. So just I am showing with a strip here. So after you do the zigzag, you have to attach them together, and after this you have to fold it like this and like this, and you will form a circle, and you have to attach the ends together so you can form this circle easily. So if you want to do with the staples way, you can do that, but the easier way is this. You can make this. So now you have to stick this circle on the wall hanging which you have made. In the middle you have to stick it like this. You have to stick it in the middle. So guys, I'll see you guys after sticking it in the middle. So now you have to attach the circle on top, and you have to cut a small circle with a colored paper, and you have to attach in the middle. So this is how you make a cute wall hanging with colored papers. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. I'll see you guys in my next video.